What is holding the food now? Be Okodaraka no sisi.
No, I'm coming.
Hey! I be one make you hungry kill me before you go come carry the food come. Eh?
I'm coming.
You carry to keep no food since. Where the food now? No one Okodaraka name.
No, I'm coming.
Hey!
Yes, no, you're welcome.
Hey. What you cook?
My wash your hand.
This one where you carry what I call brain spoon. You better say I am.
You go to top no wait to go.
One your ma.
You're welcome.
I don't say you bring 2 spoons, 1 spoon and you follow me. Me I don't wash hand. I will use my hand. Use
I'm okay. I'm okay.
No, eat small. Just see. Just small.
If you say so.
Just eat small. Understand me?
Now eat now. This is your food. Eat.
Where's my food? Huh?
Now eat your food now.
Wait. Go inside and bring my food. If you're not joking, make you just stop.
How much do you left before going in the morning? Huh?
Make you not even try. I said if you're not joking, make just go inside, go and bring my food.
Now this is your food now. Huh? This is your food. Or do you think I have not heard what is happening in this village? Eh? The way you are pregnant all these small girls, aborting them also. Eh? Now, today is the end, though. Today is the end, though.
See, woman, I tell you. If you say no, be just for one thing. Say, if you woman why they carry go sleep for inside.
Now, you do your worst.
I for to say make thunder fire you.
Make it fire you. Fire you where if you work finish, you go they carry money, they give all this.
Before I go country, may you go bring my food. If I can't make you go bring my food.
Nah, see me, make it. No count again, I'm here. No count again.
Go.
No count again, I'm with you here.
Come on. You know where they hold me. You know where they hold me. But tell you, if you say this is not hungry, make you not disturb me. Until night. As you see, as I never chop.
Hungry you are home.
That's the way they hungry. You know they do this. You know they do this thing. So make you wait for night. Go inside, go play my food. Look at where I hold your hand.
This is me and kill me. I'm here.
Let me tell you, I know I'm Madola. Okay, man, I know I'm Madola. If I count 3, if I count 3, if you don't leave me.
No, no need of counting. I'm here. Kill me now. This is me.
1.
Okay. Now kill me today. I'm here.
2. Okay. If this is not the hungry you, just wait. Make night come.
Hungry who?
As for now, hungry they catch me. That's where the hungry they do that.
I don't give you food.
I don't get strength. So, man, I give you 2.5. 3.
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Don't play. Where are you people going?
Anywhere. None of your business.
The other day, I saw you in our classroom. So, I'll be waiting for opportunity like this to talk to you.
Okay, I'm listening.
Baby, I think you know.
Love him.
What's wrong?
Nothing. We just love him.
What I'm saying is that you should give me a chance for me to express my feelings.
Oh my God. Oh yeah. Too long. Oh yeah, go back. Oh yeah, I'm listening.
Won't you advise?
Don't even involve me in this.
Oh yes. I should. I don't understand. I should talk to my sister, or I should talk to her for you. For what reason?
I love her.
No, I should talk. You love her, so I should talk to her for you. David, just turn around. Turn around. You see that? Let me ask you. Can you take care of that?
Why not?
No, can you take care of that in there?
I want to.
I love her. I know you love her. Yeah. But let me ask you.
Thank you.
What do you understand by love?
I understand that love is safe for me. Like somebody like this.
Love. If somebody liking somebody. Okay, wait. What is it now? What is that?
I answered it last time in our class.
And what did you say? Matthew.
That verb is from example Matthew chapter 28 verse.
Hey! Aren't you ashamed of yourself? No, just take a very good look at yourself. Do you think she's a Ori Market or she's your mother? No, let me just ask you. Yeah. Is she Ori Market or your mother? Look at
Just my mother.
Hey!
Don't call my mother.
I should not call your mother.
Don't call my mother.
Look at yourself. Just take a very good look at yourself. Look at your phone. My dear. Oh my dear. You want to love. Look at. Not even Bello too. Bello too. Let's go. Drop your mother. Stay in the market.
Hold your market.
Jesus Christ! Hey! So this is what he has been doing. Behind the last back, right? Hey! Hey! This thing is boy prostitution. Look at you.
And what's your business?
Bonga fish. Shut him up!
Olodo!
Nonsense. If you're talking back at me, I'll slap you. Shut it up!
You said to shut up.
Shut it up!
It's okay. It's okay.
Hey!
What's your business? And you, Amaka, or whatever your name is.
Come here, Niti.
Hey.
Nonsense.
And you. Why can't you just mind your business? Do you understand me? You mind your own business. Why can't you just get a boyfriend, or better still, mind your business? Do you understand me? Hey, see. Listen, next time I'm talking, keep quiet. Do you understand me? Don't talk back at me. And you, this is my life. I choose what I want. Do you understand me?
Okay, sir. I don't hearing you now. I don't hearing you. But let me tell you, you see Nana, my friend, she must hearing this. She must hearing this. Boy prostitution like you. Nonsense. Look at the but let me just tell you. Let's go in. My God. You know what to do? Just continue. And just you will stay in the
Look at village things.
Look at them.
No, you want to join? No, come and join. What are you waiting for? Eat with your dirty English. Eat.
Guy, you get waiting the sweet meal for this our village now. You see that school where we go? Omo, if you come to school, you go learn many English where they sound zoom, boom, like in Ponana.
That's what English I want to.
This magazine, cartoon zoom, atata zoom, anything zoom. Omo, that man, this inside the book, well, but no be that one. Now the target fast. They get the one where they target.
Which one?
Guess we plenty there.
Guess?
Hey, you know what understand? Guess them boku for that place.
They fine.
This one they talk whether they fine. Oh boy, guess where they make sense. In fact, nobody say they make sense. You get the one where I don't toast finish. Today, I dey carry am go that junction where they knock band. Me and them. And they go. You understand? Under
enjoy and
those are some dress. And then I dey go. I will chop am today.
Let's go. Now waiting here now.
Me and
let's go and see her.
And Chris, if you want your own, you come for school. You can't toast anyone where you like. Now the one I cast now me and you go. And Chris.
Okay, I go come.
Now when you come first. Nice.
See, guys, wait. You see, Namibia. Huh? Guy, Natanshi package why they run. Not be all these village girls we never bath. Think I'm na packaging boys now. Na packaging boys.
Go down. You the Grace?
Go down.
You know what they verse me? All this way they say tanship. If girls for village never bath, you know they use your hand bath am.
Is I alone? I go like go with them.
Hey, if you never bath, so far say you like am, no carry and go bath. Wait till they there. If you bath and finish, you go do what you want to do. See me, for me, you don't bath for my own side. If you never bath for your own, leave am for me. You don't bath.
Nah, guy, go come to your school.
If these people never come, if I notice that girl, and they live in here.
I know what as it be now. You know my party now. You know my guy. Eh? You know as it be. I go think calm. So first better than now.
I don't say this guy know they use here.
It's you now.
You know they use as far as saying get scared. Who you go fire? Say never bath.
You know they like me. Nana.